In this video, I'll show you how to download an embedded PDF from a website. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Here I am on a website with an embedded PDF. First, we need to find the PDF file we want to download. Once you've located it, press the F12 key on your keyboard to open Developer Tools. Next, go to the Network tab, then select All. After that, press Ctrl+R to refresh the page. You'll now see a list of files being loaded by the website. Click on the Fetch filter to narrow the results. Among these files, one of them will be the PDF we want to download. Try clicking on each file, right-click on it, and select Open in a new tab. Once you find the correct file, the PDF will open in a separate tab. From there, you can download it directly using the browser's download option. And that's it. That's how you can easily download embedded PDFs from any website. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.